one side of the road. Okay, trees, he's good. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Fabulous driving, sir. We're going to be ahead of this thing again and do the same thing again over and over and over until we get to Regina.
Yeah. And then you can just go